I've mentioned this to Matt, and this is maybe big brother advice to you and to Alessandra, but you all have something very special with Mom and Dad and with Mr. and Mrs. Noto. You have a great role model. What does my brother mean to me? The reality is he means the world to me. And I know for a fact that he means the world to almost everybody in this room. And it's because of the man that he is. He's a kind man, he's empathetic, he cares about others. I just encourage you to continue to be the good man that you are. We all know who you are, and just raise a glass on behalf of Alessandra and Matt. And cheers.
Today's gonna look good with the frame around it. Like a dream come true, so glad we found it. Sunshine through the window pane. Hear music when you speak my name. There's a rhythm of a life here in the moment, so let's own it. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good night. It's gonna be a good day with you by my side. All we gotta do is wake up. All we gotta do is wake up now. That's a bottle we can shake up. Shake it up, pass it all around. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good night. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good night. So let's light this night like a Roman candle. And you look so perfect, I can't stand it anymore. I'll spin you around these stars. Close enough, I can feel your heart. There's a rhythm of a life here in the moment, so let's own it. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good night. It's gonna be a good day with you by my side. All we gotta do is wake up. All we gotta do is wake up now. That's a bottle we can shake up. Shake it up, pass it all around. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good night.
and Alessandra, with your family and friends at your side, go forward to live a happy, holy life together.
Shake it up, pass it all around. Shake, shake it up. Laugh until we fall down.